So today I just opened one long position on Affirm. As you know, the Affirm is one of the payment system for Amazon, so that's why it's very important. So I just look at to the S&P, and S&P start to going up, and I just hit around $1,000 in Affirm, and I just opened 1,000 share here on Affirm, and then I opened it around 1,000 more share on the Affirm. So the total was around 2,000 share on Affirm. So what I did, I just opened one long position on Affirm, and then I saw again S&P is going up, so that's why I just opened one more 1,000 share on Affirm. So here you can see I just put my target around $1,000, and all the trade takes around 3 or 4 minutes. So after 3 or 4 minutes I just hit the target and I take my profit, which was around $1,000. So here we can see the S&P is just trying to going up, and the market was very strong, and S&P shows the market is up. So that's why I just opened 2,000 share on Affirm. So here you can see I just around in $700 or $800 in the profit, and I just waited until to hit my target. And the market also was very risky today because we have very important news about the US dollar and all this stuff. So that's why the dollar index or DXY is just grow up, so that's why the market is coming down. But S&P just going up, so it shows the market is going up, so you can buy and long position on your stock. So let's see, and here we can see Affirm is just start going up, and S&P also is strong. You can see here, and just waited to hit my target. So it was around here, I just hit the target. So also you can always watch the news because it's very important, so that shows what happened to the market. And yeah, also check the news when you open one trade and when you trade in the market. So here is almost our target hit. It was just here, is just hit the target, and that was all my trade. And yes, that was for all my today. And you can see also the Tesla is going up, but I didn't trade in Tesla, so I just opened one position on Affirm. If you want also trade in the stock market or Fارکس or crypto, which I use the Carbon Explorer, so this platform, so they give you very good option to trade with low fee. Actually is almost nothing actually, so that's why I use Carbon Explorer. If you want to use Carbon Explorer, I just put link in the description, and then you can click on that, and then you go directly to the sign up page, and then you sign up, and also you get 1 month free fee, and you don't need to pay any commission and spread to the market or to the broker. So that's why it's very good option to use, so you can use it. That was all today, guys, and have a nice day and have a good trade.